So you want to install Python? Let's go. First things first, let's head on to Python's official website and click on download. Once it's downloaded, you can just simply install it or customize your installation. You can just choose to select or deselect whatever choices based on your preferences and proceed to install it in your desired directory. While it installs, let me take 30 seconds to tell you why Python is the best for data science. Python is the best language for data science, hands down. I mean, have you tried using the other languages like Java or C++? That's like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube with your feet. But Python is like a warm hug from the rock. Super friendly and easy to learn. Plus, it's got all the superpowers you're ever gonna need. And the data visualization in Python, thanks to Matplotlib, is a work of art. You're gonna be impressing your boss and friends with fancy charts and graphs in no time. Trust me, Python is definitely worth a shot. So let's continue. As you can see, Python is successfully installed. You can go ahead and use the regular Python IDE, but that's kind of boring. So instead, what I like to do is use Anaconda, mainly Jupyter, which we'll be installing right now. To install Anaconda, you simply Google Anaconda and download based on your recommended specs. Once the setup file is downloaded, you can simply do the same thing you did for Python and head on to customize your installation. So Anaconda is like the ultimate Python party pack for us data nerds with over 1,500 libraries and packages, and you wouldn't have to be installing anything manually. Just simply install Anaconda and boom, you're done. And it also comes with Jupyter Notebook, which I think is the most powerful, efficient, and convenient way to code in Python. So once you're done installing it, you can simply open it and it's going to take you to an Anaconda navigator, through which you can go to Jupyter Notebook. Alternatively, you can simply hit that Windows key, type in Jupyter with a Y, hit enter. It's going to take you to Jupyter's home page, which is the directory that you set earlier during your installation. And you can simply hit on new notebook, and you're done. In the upcoming weeks, we're going to be doing some super fun data science projects to improve our Pythonic powers. So make sure to like this video and subscribe for more.